Hello guys, welcome to Ini Mini Kids TV. So today we are going to draw a fish. So just grab a pencil and a drawing sheet and draw with me. So first we will draw like this. So here I have drawn the face of a fish with a smiley. Now we will draw the body. You can just copy the way I am doing. Now I am going to draw ear of my fish. Just like this. It's super duper easy. Anyone can draw. Are you guys drawing with me? I hope you are enjoying. Now for eyes I have drawn an oval and one circle and another circle inside. So this is the eye of my fish. Isn't it super duper easy? So you can color the eye with a sketch pen, marker, crayons, whatever you want. Now is the fun part, that is the coloring part. So I am using the jumbo crayons for coloring my fish. Isn't it nice? So which color should I choose? Green. This is dark green, pink and blue. So I am going to use these four colors. I am also taking light blue to draw and color my fish. So first I am going to take dark green color and I am going to color the tail of the fish. So I am just going to leave it like this, and then we are going to do the light blue color. It will give a nice shady look to the fish. Now I will be using dark blue color and going to just highlight the ear of my fish. So we are doing the outline of a fish. So you can just copy me. If you want, you can pause the video also and color with me. So just like that, I have outlined the upper portion of the fish. Now for the bottom portion, I am going to do a dark green color, similar outline, thick outline. Now I am going to do the coloring of my fish with green color over the blue color. So just copy me the way I am doing. Now after doing half of my fish, I am going to use this pink color because I want my fish to be colorful. As you can see, as soon as I have done the pink color over the blue, it changes its color. Now this I am doing to give it a shady look. If you want, you can skip this step or you can just do the way I am doing it. Isn't it super duper nice? And such a nice lovely fish. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do like and subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon for more such videos. You can also follow me on Instagram ID, which you can find on the about of the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.